Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is what after BTech? MTech or MBA? What a person should choose after completing his or her BTech degree. If the person wants to do masters, whether the person should choose MTech or MBA, which option is best? Ladies and gentlemen, there are certain things which we must keep in our mind related to both these subjects. As far as MBA is concerned, MBA is a study of business administration. It teaches you everything related to what actually happens in corporate sector and what you should do if you want to become an industrial personality. If you want to work in industry, the best course for you is MBA. So if you want to work in industry, you must go for MBA. And if you want to go for core subjective knowledge, strengthening your core subjective knowledge, you must go for MTech, because MTech will enhance your technical knowledge more. It's a master's degree of technology. MBA is master's degree of business administration. So whatever criticalities are there related to business and corporate world, all those things are mentioned in MBA syllabus. And what are the criticalities and core technical aspects of a particular technical subject? That is mentioned specifically in MTech course. This is the difference. That's why people who want to become professors in core technical subject, they go for MTech. And not only those people go for MTech, but those people also who want to do some kind of core technical research in a particular technical subject, they also prefer MTech. Because by doing MTech, they strengthen their technical knowledge more and more. After that, they go for PhD and then they go for research work in the technology that they have studied in their BTech. So such people also go for MTech, who want to do some kind of core technical research related to their specific subjects, or those people who want to teach as technical professors in professional college. Those people go for MTech. So MTech is purely technical subject, advanced technical knowledge. BTech is technical knowledge, MTech is advanced technical knowledge. Now, as far as MBA is concerned, MBA is about business administration. It tells you the criticality of business world, of corporate world. How you should manage yourself in corporate, that is taught by MBA. So if you want to become an industrial personality, want to become a corporate professional, if you want to know more and more about what actually happens in corporate world, decision making, hiring, mergers and acquisitions, all such kind of things, financial activities, retail activities, marketing activities, how the goods are produced, how the goods are consumed, how the goods are distributed by the medium of logistics. If you want to know all these criticalities of corporate world, you must go for MBA. And after doing MBA, you must join some organization, some industry. Another crucial aspect is people often get confused that if they want to become professors in professional college, what subject they should choose. Here also there is a difference, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to teach technical subjects, go for MTech. If you don't want to teach technical subjects, go for MBA. If you want to teach core technical subjects, go for MTech. As I have already explained that what is the basic structure of MTech. If you don't want to teach technical subjects, if you want to teach subjects like personality development and economics and how industrial operations management, personality development, communication skills, industrial management, if you want to teach specifically these type of subjects, please go for MBA, because MBA will give you a deep knowledge of how these things actually happen in real life. If you go for MBA after BTech, it will give you crucial details of business world. So by gaining crucial details of business world, you can teach subjects which are related to business in any kind of professional college. So if you want to become teacher related to the subjects which are specifically dealing with business, go for MBA after BTech. But if you specifically want to teach technical subjects, I don't want to explain, but I will just give you example. You are already aware of it. What are technical subjects? Go for electronics, full wave rectifier, half wave rectifier. Go for computer science, database, multimedia, system programming. Go for civil, lathe machine, smithy, forging. These are the core technical subjects related to core technical specific fields. So if you want to teach these core technical subjects, go for MTech. If you don't want to teach core technical subjects, if you want to teach business related subjects, or you want to teach communication skills, that kind of knowledge you can gain by doing MBA. So there is no problem in becoming professor after completing your bachelor's degree. Go for MBA, and after completing MBA, you can apply in any MBA college, any BBA college. They will definitely hire you as teacher over there. So please keep this misconception out of your mind, that if a person wants to teach after completing BTech, doing MTech is compulsory. Doing MTech is absolutely not compulsory, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't want to teach technical subjects, if you want to teach management related subjects, please go for masters in management, MBA. Complete your MBA and then apply in some college where you can teach subjects related to management. So this is a huge misconception, that in case of any kind of teaching, in order to get any kind of teaching position, you have to do MTech compulsively. This is a huge misconception. Ladies and gentlemen, we people are merely blind followers. We are blind followers and nothing else. I must say this, we are educated blind followers. We never use our own brain in analyzing the things. We listen to friends, we listen to relatives, we listen to our neighbors, and then we start taking all the crucial decisions of our life, without even thinking for a second that whether this decision is going to be fruitful for me or not, or whether this decision is actually logical in any way or not. Illogically, we just copy our friends, we copy our relatives, we copy our neighbors, and that's all we are doing. And then we say that we are highly educated and we are intellectuals. Ladies and gentlemen, we are nothing. I am sorry to say this. If you are not able to decide our future according to the course subject, if we are not able to analyze things deeply, we are just educated fools. We are nothing. We are educated fools having so much qualification and still following friends and relatives and not using our own brain. We are educated fools. Sorry to say this, but this is the fact. So please don't go for your master's degree blindly, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't listen to anyone, friends, relatives and neighbors and every other person. Try to analyze yourself that what exactly you will do after gaining that master degree. How exactly you are going to utilize that master degree, that is more important. Gaining degrees is not important. After all, how you are utilizing it, whether that degree, that PG is helping you in your personal life or not, that is more important. So try to be very conscious about this. And please keep any kind of misconception about master degree out of your mind. Please keep it out of your mind. Straight away, I would like to repeat these crucial points. If you want to teach technical subjects, go for MTech. If you don't want to teach technical subjects, go for MBA, apply in some BBA college and start teaching all the non-technical subjects. MBA graduates can teach in BBA college. If you want to further enhance your knowledge in a particular field that you have decided for yourself, go for PhD, complete your doctorate in that particular field, be it technical, be it non-technical, and then according to your choice, you can apply in some engineering college or you can apply in some MBA college. So after BTech, MBA is also good and MTech is also good. Please don't keep this misconception in your mind that after completing BTech, you have to do MTech. MTech is the only thing that you can do after completing BTech. No, it all depends upon where you want to be and what type of task you want to do. Analyze yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Don't follow anyone. Analyze yourself. Do a deep analysis of your own personality, and then there are a large number of sources available on internet. There are a large number of books available in your library. Trust your own inner instinct instead of trusting people who are not as qualified as you, and they are just giving you suggestion. Please be logical. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.